Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I just found this weird feeling stuff. It actually feels like a flesh suit, like shredded flesh in my hands. But I know that this is lichen, but it's just so wet right now that it feels like skin. That is so amazing. And I wanted to find out what kind of lichen this is. So I did some research, and this could be either old man's beard or lace lichen. So let's do some research. Okay, so I found this amazing lichen hanging from the trees. And this is very typical of a lichen, but the old man's beard lichen and the lace lichen is so very similar that there's some tests that you can do to figure out which lichen that it is. And the easiest test that you can do is the pull test. So when you have this lichen right here, you can pull it off of the tree. You'll notice that it is very long and stringy like this. Now, when you do a pull test, you can pull it apart like this and notice that there are strings kind of holding it together and is very long and stringy like this. And this means that this particular lichen is the old man's beard, but the other kind of lichen looks almost exactly like this. But let me show you what that one looks like. So I hiked long and hard out here at Garland Park to be able to find this particular lace lichen. You can see on this lichen, when you try to pull it apart, that it actually has this lacy. It's more flat little strings, and it's connected like lace. Almost looks like a spider's web to me. This lace lichen is mainly found along the Pacific coast of California, and it is also the California state lichen. In the beginning of this video, I was showing you a lichen that was more moist and wet and felt like flesh, but normally you find this hanging from the trees, and it's very dry and it's kind of a grayish green color. Have you ever thought about the name old man's beard? That's such an interesting name. Have you ever wondered why it's called old man's beard lichen? Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.